We are going to Niagara Falls. We are on our way to the falls. We are going to spend a few days. We rent a hotel so we can get place to sleep and move around for a few days. So I'll show you guys the hotel when we reach there. So we are headed to Niagara Falls. The road is not too bad. The road is pretty clear, and we should reach there probably in the next hour or so. So follow us to Niagara Falls.
We are driving more. It takes a really long time, but we're almost there. We're gonna give you more. We're just gonna do some clips. Subscribe if you want to see us in the hotel and see the pretty stuff.
So we are going to Niagara Falls for a few days. We rent a hotel there.
Then after you have to say subscribe if you want to see that.
Yes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video so you can able to see a lot more video coming out.
Yeah, then you can see my channel, you can see her channel.
And Mia started to have her own channel now, and her channel name. What's your channel name? Tell them what's your channel name.
Mia's Toy World.
Mia Toy World. So guys,
Mia's Toy World. It has an S. Mia's Toy World.
So you guys can check her channel out, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
I'll post up some videos. My first one is gonna be a Powerpuff one. Subscribe if you want to see that. Sprinkle. Sprinkle, please. Is that everything?
That's all? You need another one?
No,
That's enough?
that's enough.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
This is how you open it. And the one I got is sprinkle.
Oh wow! Try it and see
That's
how
a
it
good bite.
tastes.
That's so yummy. Don't forget to update the car. Bye. Over here. We're here. We're here.
Guys, we are here. This is the Howard Johnson Hotel. So we just arrived. We will spend 3 nights here. So I'll show you guys the room that I booked. So this is the room. It comes with 2 beds. It's 2 king-size beds. It's a beautiful room. It's well kept. It's clean. So we should have amazing time. So this is a few days away from home at the Niagara Falls. So we are headed for dinner. So we are pretty hungry, and we are headed to the Rainforest Cafe for dinner. So Rainforest Cafe is a restaurant, and it's like a forest inside with lots of leaves and trees and animal. So I will show you guys how the restaurant is. So here we are at the restaurant. and we are headed for dinner, and it's a 30 minutes of wait to get inside this restaurant. It's so pretty busy, but I hope the food is delicious. This is my second time here at the Rainforest Cafe restaurant. So we'll take you guys inside at this Rainforest Cafe, and I'll show you guys how it is inside. So we are still outside. They have aquarium with lots of fishes that you can view, and you can see the fishes swim. So it's a very nice restaurant. The atmosphere is really, really nice.
Ooh, that looks yummy. Okay, let's take a that's so good.
Yeah, how is your dessert?
Very good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look at colored henna.
Oh wow! Look at my drink. Yum.
Hello? Hello? Oh, I'm good. How are you?
Dinner at the Rainforest Cafe was delicious. We are so full. We enjoy our meal.